Okay, Sec 3 AMATS, now we are going to go through question number 2 of your holiday assignment, which is the question 1 on your 10-year series polynomials and partial fractions. Now let's take a look at this question. By using long division, divide 3x cubed minus x squared plus 27x minus 9 by 3x minus 1. So I divide 3x cubed minus x squared plus 27x minus 9 using the long division. So now our objective is to remove the first term here, which is 3x cubed with 3x. Now how am I supposed to do that? I multiply by x squared. I multiply by x squared, I will get 3x cubed minus x squared. Perfect. So minus bracket of this, I'm left with nothing. I'm going to bring down my 27x minus 9. Now how to get 27x minus 9 from 3x minus 1? I multiply by 9. So it's x squared plus 9. 9 times 3x is 27x. 9 minus times 9 negative 1 is minus 9. I'll get 0. You will realize that 3x minus 1 is actually the a factor of 3x cubed minus x squared plus 27x minus 9. So therefore, your 3x cubed minus x squared plus 27x minus 9 is actually equals to x squared plus 9 multiplied by 3x minus 1. Alright, so this is part I. Part 2. Express these entire fractions in partial fractions. If you realize, this denominator here, 3x cubed minus x squared plus 27x minus 9, is this one. And you have already found a factor, which is 3x minus 1. Okay, you have already factorized it. So what you will get is this. 6 plus 11x minus 5x squared over this is actually equals to 6 plus 11x minus 5x squared over x squared plus 9, 3x minus 1. You have already factorized using the long division just now that I showed you on top. How do you express these in partial fractions then? Now we all know this splits into two different fractions. One, the denominator is 3x minus 1, the basic simple one, and the other one is x squared plus 9. So what would the numerator be for 3x minus 1? The numerator for 3x minus 1 would just be an a. For x squared plus 9, it would be bx plus c. From here, we multiply, we are going to solve for a, b, and c. So we multiply throughout by x squared plus 9 and 3x minus 1. We are going to be left with 6 plus 11x minus 5x squared on the left side. On the right side, we're going to have a bracket x squared plus 9 plus bx plus c, 3x minus 1 on the right side. From here, we do our favorite thing, smart substitution. To find the value of a, b, and c. Okay, first off, I would definitely substitute x is 1/3 because I can make this thing equals to 0 if I substitute x equals to 1/3. So I'm just going to do that. Substitute x equals to 1/3 into the equation. So if it makes 3x minus 1 equals to 0, which means the entire part behind bx plus c times 3x minus 1 will give me 0. So I only need to work on the a part. So it's 6 plus 11 times 1/3 minus 5 1/3 square. I get 9. Oops. I get 9, 1 over 9 on the left side equals to a bracket 1/3 square plus 9. And 9 1 over 9 is equals to 9 1 over 9a. So therefore, immediately you get the value of a is 1. And you are done. Okay, the next smart substitution I would do is x equals to 0. Because it will make this b disappear. Okay, so I would substitute x equals to 0, and on the left side I would just get the value 6. On the right side I will substitute a equals to 1, x equals to 0, which is 9, plus, now b times x, which is b times 0, will give you 0. I'll only be left with c here, and then 3x minus 1, 3 times 0 minus 1 is just negative 1. So I'll get 6 equals to 9 minus c, and c will be equals to 3. And I'm done with c. I'm only left with b, and I don't have any more smart substitution left. But since I already found the value of a and c, I can just substitute any value of x in. So I can just substitute x equals to, I would choose the value 1 because it is easy. I'll choose 1. So on the left side it would be 6 plus 11 minus 5 equals to, a is 1. If x is 1, 1 square plus 9 is 10, plus bx, because I don't know the value of b, so it will still be b times x, which is 1, so it will be b plus c, which is 3, bracket 3x minus 1, 3 times 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2. Then I continue simplifying when I substitute x equals to 1 into the equation. 6 plus 11, 17 minus 5, 12 equals to 10 plus 2b plus 6. 12 equals to 16 plus 2b. So if I were to minus 16 on both sides, I'll get 2b equals to minus 4. Divide by 2, b is negative 2. And I found my a, b, and c. I'm done with my partial fraction. So just have to write down the last statement. Therefore, 6 plus 11x minus 5x squared over x squared plus 9, 3x minus 1 is equals to a is 1 over 3x minus 1 plus b is negative 2, negative 2x plus 3 over x squared plus 9. And that's how you do partial fractions for question number 2. Okay, if you have any questions, you may pause this video anywhere and try to retract it a little bit. That's all I have for question number 2.